Now let's talk about choking. For someone who's choking, that means that one of their two pipes are now blocked. So everybody has a throat. In your throat you have two pipes. One is called the esophagus, which is your food pipe. Good. And then one is your trachea, which is going to be, yes, your windpipe. Now, food pipe, windpipe. We don't want the food going into the windpipe or they're going to start choking. And that's what we're going to have to do in case, God forbid, someone's choking. Try to get that object out. Now, if they're coughing, don't do anything. Let them cough because they're doing exactly what they need to do. They're clearing out their own airway. But if they're silent, that's when we need to intervene. So, if they are choking, are you choking? If they say yes, they're not choking. Okay, I'm going to help you. You're going to go behind that person. You're going to take, I like my dominant hand, take your middle finger and put your middle finger in their belly button. Create a fist, roll on top. Your other hand's going to go around, and then we're going to push in and up like a J, shoving the stomach into the diaphragm, into the lungs, trying to force that object out. Now I like to kind of go off my hip a little bit, just in case they pass out. So middle finger, fist, roll on top. Other hand's going to go around. 1, 2, 3. And you can do this as many times as you need to until they cough it up or until they pass out. Now just remember, every time we go in, just like for compressions, we come back out fully. In and out fully, so we can actually get that object out. Now, let's go through a couple different things. What if they are pregnant, obese, or in a wheelchair, and you can't go to their stomach? In that case, instead of going to their stomach, we're going to go behind them, under their arms, and to the same spot that we do CPR. So for an adult and child, again, between the nipple lines, and straight back. When we were doing abdominal thrusts, we were going in and up, but chest thrusts, we're going to pull straight back. It's a smaller cough, but it still helps the person cough out that object. Now, what if Shaq comes over your house, he throws the grape, he throws it up, he starts to choke? What are you going to do to help Shaq, who is now choking? Because I'm telling you right now, I cannot reach him. So first thing we don't want to do, don't find a ladder, don't find a chair, don't jump on the table and try to help him that way. But what's Shaq's last name? O'Neal, yes. Have him go down on his knees. So if they're too tall for you, they should go on their knees. If you're too tall for them, for a child, you go down on your knees. So for an adult or child, you want to do the abdominal thrusts by the belly button, in and up, hard and fast. If you can't go to the belly button, to the stomach, we're going to go to the chest. Pull straight back on the chest. So belly in and up, chest straight back.